Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now that you are familiar with the changes to the site editor in WordPress 6.1, the next topic that we are going to discuss is a extension of an already existing feature known as creation patterns in WordPress 6.1. Now, if you have been following, blogging unplugged, reading our articles, or probably watching our videos, then you must be familiar with the fact that in WordPress 6.0, a feature known as page creation patterns was released, where if you will declare support for block content type uh, in if you will declare the support for post content type in a pattern, then it will appear in a modal when you will create a blank page. Okay, so this is a necessity that you will have to declare support for post content type in the pattern, and then only this modal will appear. Okay, this was a push because WordPress was is even prioritizing patterns since the last few updates. They have been actively pushing patterns so that it becomes easier for users to create pages and posts if they are not familiar with the basically using the blocks, so they can use those existing patterns and can edit them as per their requirement. Okay, so this feature basically comes disabled by default because obviously as of now no patterns have declared support for post content type. So with that said, let me show you what exactly is this, what is the basically extension of this feature, and then we'll go from there. We'll create this right now. I'll show you the way you can experience this feature for yourself. Okay, so this is the article, right, where I have this code snippet. You can see right over here. Link to this article is in the description box below. Now for right now, ignore this part. Okay, don't see this part, just focus here, and then we'll go from there, right? So this is the basic header of a pattern. Okay, this is basically a way of implicitly registering patterns in WordPress. So this is another concept that was released in previous WordPress updates. So we'll be using this and this method to basically create this pattern quickly, and then I'll show you this feature. Okay, now you can see the block type support is post content. So this was one necessary step. Then I have let WordPress know that show this on post. So this can be pages and this can be custom post type as per your requirement, right? So this part is clear. This is the necessary part and this is the necessary part. If this is missing, the modal will not appear. Okay, now remember this. Now comes this part. Now how I've created this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new post, and this is an h2. Basically you can see h2 and our background is kind of like blue, so let's just blue and then hello world. Okay, as simple as that. I'm going to edit it as html. Copy this, copy. Now I'm going to create a notepad right over here, notepad, paste it. Now you can see this must be very similar. Let me go this thing up and open this now, and you can see this is very similar, right? Hello world and hello world, right? So this I have changed the fonts as well, but the font is the same here because I don't want to get into but too much right now, so let it be like this right now. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to add this section right over here, this code snippet on top, right? Copy this and paste it right over here. Okay, the next step is the most necessary one. You will have to remember this. Now I'm saving this. Now look at the directory where I will be saving it. Let me go back a little. So I am in the WP content. where in this website right over here, this is my local setup. Okay, so this is basically your domain. Consider this as your domain, your public.html, and there, I am in the wp contents folder. You can see wp contents folder, and there I will click this. I'll go into themes. I'll select the 2023 theme because I'm using the 2023 theme. Remember this as well. Now I'll go to the patterns directory. In case this patterns directory do not exist, then you can create one. Just add a new folder, name it as patterns. That will be the patterns directory. Very simple, right? Go in, and now I am going to change this thing. Okay, now what I am going to name it as new pattern.php. I'm saving it as a php file. Okay, and save. That's it. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to close this post. I'm going to leave. Okay, I'm going to add new post. It should appear as a pop-up. It does, right? And I can click this. You can see hello world, right? So this is basically implicit registration of patterns plus the creation patterns feature for you. Again, the code snippet is right over here. Remember that you will have to declare support for post content block type, which is this one, right? And then again you will have to tell WordPress where to display this as well. So for right now it is post, that's why I've added post. In case it is pages, declare it as pages. Custom post type, change it to custom post types. It's up to you where you want to experience this feature, right? Then again, when you will do this, it will show you a model, which is, again I'll show you. I'll add a new post, and there comes the model. You can select this, choose a pattern. You can see right over here. Okay, again this pattern will be visible here as well. Let me just see. You can see the pattern is visible here as well, so I can click this, right? So it is completely up to you. Whatever is the pattern that you want to that your theme comes with, or you want to include in your theme. In case you want this feature to be active, you can do it this way. This is probably a simple way to experience this feature. I didn't want to go into too much technical details of stuff, so this is the code snippet for you. Again, link to this article is in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. Also, in case you have any queries regarding this, feel free to comment down below. And if you are finding the content helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.